Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Bob-omb step by step in an easy way. If you want done drawing something that you like, just follow the next steps. Now guys, let's go. First, we start drawing that circle. Look, the distance is not too much, it's just a little close. The second one. Okay, that looks nice. The body is just a circle, like this. By the way guys, if you listen a chicken, a roaster, comment below in the comment box. Now, let's continue. If you want, you can move the paper to be more comfy when you try to draw in a circle. Okay, that looks nice. That space is for the foot. The first one, and now the second one. That drawing is really easy. Now we have to draw that part. Nice. And 3 lines, just 3, like this. Now let's finish with the thing that the Bob have in the back. I don't know the exactly name of that, but it's like an 8. Yes, it's like an 8. And guys, here we have the drawing. That's so easy. Let me add some details, but that was the easier drawing for today. If you want done drawing something that you like, just comment below in the comment box. And in this video, gonna be appear some kittens, some cats. If you see someone, just comment below in the comment box. Maybe 2 cats, 3 or more, I don't know. Just comment below.